right, everybody, we are now going for a ride in our 1960 Chevy Corvette. Probably the better version of the Corvette. As you can see, ours has a baby blue / silver paint job with a red interior. You can see most of the interior looks very new, very well kept. Has a new modernized digital dash, clusters all of our new gauges. It looks really good. Yeah, really 5-speed manual, Kenwood audio sound system. Still got that big old-fashioned Corvette steering wheel blocking our legs, but it looks very nice with this car. Small block 3 Chevy we got here. Has a nice sound coming out the back. Convertible top, manual. And yeah, as we open her up right now, very powerful. Of course, well, we just gave you the brake test.
Brakes were good.
But since at this time of day we can't go crazy, this car runs, drives excellent. And if you want to see more cool cars, please visit skywayclassics.com. Anyway, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift. Stay tuned to see you underneath.